I wish my computer was running
Here it is, Joe. What's the name of this this tower?
Thermaltake element.
Thermal what?
Thermaltake.
Thermaltake element.
Take a picture of the box.
Nah, I'm on record right now.
You're on record?
Yeah, we do record here.
Paparazzi?
Yes,
No
sir.
recording devices beyond that one door.
That's right.
Huh? It's like, I was just saying it's not really recording.
Testing.
1, 2.
Three-day shipment from Newegg, got here in 2. Not too shabby.
Yeah.
Newegg rocks. Newegg the best ever.
This is a server. See the size of that?
I thought I get.
And this is a regular tower.
Oven for USB port.
The regular computer is bigger than the server. It's nice. Those will be